Well, ahead of the assembly polls in J&K and amidst all the cross-border shelling that's been going on, BJP President Amit Shah is in Araspura sector today. He's meeting all the families that have been affected by the shelling. In fact, while interacting with them, Amit Shah said that India will strongly retaliate in Jammu and Kashmir to all the Pakistani shelling. Hear him out.
कि भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्री श्रीमान राजनाथ सिंह जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि गोलीबारी उस ओर से होगी, इस ओर से उसका कड़ा जवाब दिया जाएगा और जवाब मिलेगा। और गोलीबारी से असरग्रस्त जो लोग हैं उनके लिए भी सरकार बड़ी संवेदना से बहुत कम समय में कुछ न कुछ लंबे समय के लिए काम करना है, कुछ त्वरित काम करना है। दोनों कामों पर तुरंत ही कार्यवाही की जाएगी।
Pakistan is continuously engaging in anti-India activities for last 1 month. There has been firing on Indian villages and Indian border security force posts by Pakistani side, and so we have come here to see the actual ground situation, and we are appalled by the conditions here, I would say. Number one, that time has come, like how our Home Minister has sent out a very stern message yesterday, that we will no longer tolerate this kind of brazenness of Pakistani army. Constant provocations from their side, they will be met with proper response from our side. So that's a very good message from Indian side that has to happen. And secondly, we have seen the plight of the villagers, how they have been displaced for last 1 month, and they are living in schools and other temporary camps and all. It's a very unfortunate situation. We will go back, and we are very sorry that the state government here, Mr. Omar Abdullah's government, is doing nothing to help these hapless villagers.
Well, meanwhile, Congress has hit out at the Modi government saying that India does not even have a policy towards Pakistan.
This government has no policy towards Pakistan. So therefore, they swing from the sublime to the ridiculous. For 10 years, they say that terror and talks cannot go hand in hand. Then the moment the government is on the cusp of being formed, there goes an invitation to Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Before the invitation even lands on his desk in Islamabad, the ISI and its instrumentalities go and attack the Indian consulate in Herat. Even then, government decides to go ahead with the foreign secretary level talks. There are over 300 intrusions which take place across the international border and line of control. Tunnels are discovered, and this government, when it is confronted with all this evidence and growing public criticism, in a knee-jerk manner calls off the talks. So therefore, under those circumstances, to talk to Pakistan, first of all, this government must have a Pakistan policy.